Welcome back to our channel and thank you for joining in. We're going to make something a little bit different for dinner tonight. This is, I don't know if there's any recipes on this or not, but we're going to call this hamburger sliders. We're going to use bacon, grill some onions, mix up the hamburger meat, and then we're going to put it on some Hawaiian dinner rolls to cut it in a smaller slider size. Right now we're going to put the bacon on the grill. We're going to use about half of this. And this is another tip. If you're ever out camping, take your bacon, if you don't want to cook it all, cut it in half, and then you save this half of it, and you can slide this right into this package here. You don't have to worry about wrapping it up in tin foil, anything like that, saran wrap. That's just the way we figured out how to do things. I'm going to finish putting this bacon on here. I don't know if you can hear, but it's thundering a little bit. We're out at Cedar Lake. We've been here a couple other times. We did one other video. This is one of the camp spots that we came to this time. This is Shady Point. It's first come, first serve. You pay at the Iron Ranger, and then you pick out your spot, or you pick out your spot and then go pay. This spot here, that's the most shaded spot there is over here. This camper's been in the shade probably 90% of the time. It's a good place to come if you don't want your AC to run all the time, or if it's too hot. It's a good place to park your camper. Bacon's cooking pretty good. It's pretty quick. It's cooking down. So I'm going to move these others to the back side so they'll cook a little bit. I have found out using this thing to cook with from right here forward, so there's no heat under it, but it does heat up and it radiates into that part of it. So you have to keep rotating stuff around until you get it all cooked. While the bacon's cooking, we're going to get our hamburger meat. I'm going to put it in this bowl. I'm going to put some pepper in it. Using Himalayan salt, this is just what we prefer to eat. I don't put a lot in there. And I will put one egg in there. And I guess I'll mix this together. Oh, yes, I forgot one thing. I use onion soup mix in with it. It's got onions in it. I'll put the whole pack in there. And then I'll just mix this up.
His hands are cold. We keep it kind of simple around here. He's gonna go wash his hands. Okay.
Got my hands washed off and almost burnt the bacon. It's okay because I like a little crispy bacon on hamburgers anyway. The bacon's done. I just pulled it off. Now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put it all on the grill. I know you're saying that ain't going to cook that way, but what we're going to do is flatten this out. Make like a big patty. Like so.
Trying to give it a little bit thinner.
Yeah, it's probably a little bit thinner. I really don't know how to do it other than just pull it through the grease. Yeah, that wasn't no good.
I'm gonna let it cook for a little while.
We're gonna let this cook for a little bit. Brown, cook all the way through. We'll flip it over. Put that on medium heat and let it do its thing. While that's cooking, I'm gonna take the sweet onion and cut it up. We're gonna slice it in layers, and we're just gonna put it on there and let it cook with the hamburger to save some time.
I went ahead and put the grill cover on it so it can cook better.
I'll show you the grill cover here in a little bit when we get done. It's like, on this flat griddle, it's almost like having an oven. You put that over whatever you want to cook, and it holds the heat in a little bit better. And we bought it when we bought this griddle, and it's been the best thing. I've cooked biscuits on it, using it. We've cooked canned cinnamon rolls with it. It's just like a small oven. So we'll get all this sliced up. Make sure there's no real big chunks in it. Make sure it all comes apart good. And it looks like it's going to, so we're pretty good there. I'm going to take this and slide it over a little bit.
We've never done this before. It's like an experiment. I'm sure there's better ways to do it, but.
And I have no idea how I'm going to flip that. I think if I just leave it covered, it may cook all the way through.
We'll flip it once.
But when we get to flipping it, we'll see what we can do. Now I'm going to put these onions that we just cut up right over here.
Like our onions.
Jumping off.
Just tastes better that way.
All that good bacon grease. Bacon grease isn't the healthiest for you, but it tastes good when you cook with it like this. And we're going to let these onions cook and soften up, and then when we're done, we'll put all this on top of the hamburger. We got some cheese we're going to put on it as well. So this is kind of like a cheeseburger grilled onion slider. And we'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, I'm going to try to flip this stuff and brown the other side. Let's see if I can do it. Get the camera person to stand back a little bit so it won't splash.
It works.
Amazing. Let's try that didn't fall apart on me. If I've tried that any other time, it would have. You got that flipped over? Onions getting caramelized a little bit. I think cooking them on a grill like this, well, frying pan grill at home, just brings the flavor of the onions out a little bit. I like eating them like that. And we also bought some ears of corn that we bought at a roadside market. We're going to throw them on the grill when all this is done, just to heat them up and make it a little bit better meal for us to eat. We'll have our sliders and corn. Okay, we've got the hamburger meat flipped over. It's browning. While it's browning on the bottom side, it shouldn't be long. We're going to add a little bit of cheese. We're going to take our bacon and layer it on there. Just like so. I always said everything tastes better with bacon on it, so bacon does make most things taste better anyway. And we got a few pieces that we can eat on the side. Now we're going to layer it with more cheese. Starting to get the shakes a little bit. That bacon's phenomenal. Now what we're going to do, we're going to cover it up a little bit, let that cheese melt. And then we'll put the onions on. And if you want to, we'll put the rest of the cheese on there, have 3 layers of cheese. Slap it on the breads and we'll show you what the finished product looks like.
We're kind of hearing thunder all around us, so we're not sure if we're fixing to get hit with rain. I think we are, so we're kind of rushed.
We just put the onions on there, put the rest of the cheese on there. We're going to put the lid back on there, let it melt the cheese, bind it all together. And then we'll take our rolls, brown them a little bit. This is the slider buns that we've got. We'll brown them and then lay that on top of it, and then supper will be ready. We'll show you the final product when we get done with it. Just stay. Here's what the hamburger sliders, cheeseburger sliders looks like at this point. We're going to brown our buns a little bit, get it all put together, and we'll show you what the finished product looks like here in a second. Well, that didn't work as planned, but it didn't just totally fall apart. It's a good thing.
You can tell we're not professional cooks. We sure like fries. Anyway. Here we are in the camper. We're afraid it's going to gush out raining.
I've lost.
We're in the little camper. We're not used to it yet.
It's the mini Ponderosa.
Yes, mini is right.
We traded our big, well, not big Ponderosa, that's our home, but the little Ponderosa we traded for the mini Ponderosa to try to make things simpler in life for us when we're camping. And we're out there. We just got to figure out some storage techniques and how to keep up with everything.
It's crowded. It's just 2 of us in this little camper. Oh my gosh, you got a view of that.
I gotta go get this. Here you have it, the finished product. Sliders and corn. The easy go-to meal. I didn't know if it'd be that easy or not, but it turned out great. I've got pickles on top of everything else, and mustard. You can use, I guess you can use mayonnaise, whatever you decide to use. The hamburger is cooked perfectly. It's done all the way through. Thank you for watching our channel again. If you're new to our channel, please hit the like and subscribe button and share it with all your friends. We like to get our YouTube channel to grow more than what it is. Just we have fun out here camping, and we like to share recipes with everybody out there. So please remember to hit the like, subscribe button for us to help our channel grow. I really appreciate it. Remember to keep things simple, real simple, and happy camping. And we'll see you in the next video.